Mumbai High, an asset, an oil field as daunting as any, and equally prolific, bears the flagship position amongst all ONGC oil fields ever since its discovery in 1974. From the first well to its first station on land, it took a mere 26 months, a feat which is unparalleled even as on date worldwide. From the first oil till date, Mumbai High asset has been the largest oil producing asset contributing to the energy security of the country. You are now at MHN Process Complex, located 162 kilometers northwest of Mumbai in the Arabian Sea. The state-of-the-art offshore facilities, including 24 wellhead platforms, process-cum-living quarter platform, and the connected pipeline network with water injection facilities constitute MHN Process Complex. The process complex comprises of the following: MNP, Mumbai North Process Platform, having capacity to handle 47,000 barrels of oil per day of crude. MHN can compress and deliver 8.8 MMS CMD of natural gas with 3 compressors at MNP and 1 at MNW for gas lift as well as for shore-based consumers. MNW, Mumbai North Water Injection Platform, has the capacity to pump 250,000 barrels of water per day for maintaining reservoir pressure and sweeping oil for better recovery from the reservoir. 24 wellhead platforms including the first wellhead platform NA. The process complex has more than 34 megawatts of power generation capacity. The facility can accommodate 213 persons in the newly designed living quarter platform MLQ. 2 oil and gas export subsea pipelines, MUT oil and MUT gas lines, originate from MNW and transport the hydrocarbon to onshore terminal at Uran. For ONGC, safety is of utmost vitality. At MHN Process Complex, it is a part of the daily routine 24/7. We take safety seriously and hold routine monitoring trainings and awareness programs to imbibe its importance in our work. Be a part of safe and secure work environment while on board and contribute to maintain it. Upon arrival, safety team helped you to complete the registration and other initial formalities. While in operational area, please wear the following personal protective equipment: cotton overall, safety helmet, safety goggle, safety shoes, hand gloves, ear muffs for high noise areas. Use of the following items is prohibited on the process complex: matchsticks, lighters, and any electronic gadget which is not permitted. While in the field, hold hand railings with both hands and look ahead while using the stairs. On reaching your accommodation, please carefully note the escape route and location of items of life-saving equipment like life jackets, breathing apparatus, escape mask, etc. Your lifeboat number is marked on the backside of room door. In case of emergency or safety drill, you will be required to muster at your mustering station, which is near your assigned lifeboat. If the platform needs to be abandoned in case of an emergency, you will get clear instructions from the OIM on the PA system. Various means of evacuation are available at the complex. There are 11 totally enclosed fire-resistant lifeboats. In addition to this, the complex is also equipped with life rafts, scramble nets, and jumping ropes as a part of emergency escape system. Kindly note the lifeboat assigned to you and carefully understand its location and approach with the help of escape route layouts displayed at each level and escape route markings near the pathways. Your accommodation is meant for your comfort during rest period. Kindly keep everything in orderly manner, well made up and hygienic. Safety shoes are not permitted inside accommodation. MHN Process Complex is equipped with various safety systems. Kindly note correct use of the systems. Safety officer will advise you about the safety equipment which you are allowed to use. Various fire detection and suppression systems available at the process complex are fire and gas detection systems like flame, IR and UV, heat, hydrocarbon, hydrogen sulfide, hydrogen, smoke detectors, etc. Fire suppression systems like fire water pumps, sprinklers, deluge systems, fire monitors, DCP skid, foam water, fire hose reel for open areas. Enclosure fire suppression systems like CO2 flooding, clean agent suppression with FM 200 and Novec 1230, galley fire suppression system. Different type of portable fire extinguishers like CO2 fire extinguishers, dry chemical powder fire extinguishers. There are 3 fire water pumps installed in the complex for supplying water for firefighting. Besides, there is life-saving equipment on board like life jackets, escape mask, breathing apparatus, and life buoys, etc. During an emergency, please pay attention to warning alarms and follow instructions. In case of gas leakage, alarm like this will sound. Fire alarm like this. H2S alarm like this. Abandoned platform alarm like this. During any emergency at platform, please do not panic. Kindly keep calm and do the following. Kindly follow the instructions of safety officer. Evacuate from the area immediately and proceed to the mustering point near your designated lifeboat. Do not stay to collect any personal belonging. Escape route signage boards have been installed in order to guide you. The Offshore Installation Manager, OIM, will issue specific instructions using the public address system. Keep calm and follow instructions of the lifeboat captain and OIM. When asked to board the lifeboat, enter with your life jacket and occupy your seat in an orderly manner. After the emergency is over, the Offshore Installation Manager will announce all clear on paging system.
All clear. All clear.
In case of any gas leakage or smoke, you may have to wear the self-contained breathing apparatus provided on the decks. Platform personnel will guide you how to wear it. There are safety eye wash and shower stations installed in case you meet with chemical emergency. Control room is central operational and control monitoring station. Only designated persons are present in control room. It is manned 24/7. Going to boat landing area is prohibited unless permitted by OIM or safety officer on specific work requirement. Do not go to the boat landing area alone. Having a buddy and wearing of a work vest is mandatory for going to boat landing areas. Boat landing area could be one of the routes for abandonment and rescue in case of extreme emergency. Jumping ropes have been provided at boat landing area to facilitate transfer of persons to boats from platform. While you are on board, always be attentive. Walk around carefully. Do not run. Use handrails while on stairs. And do not touch any equipment or valves without authorization. Before leaving MHN complex, please make an entry in the register at Security Lounge and attend the mandatory helicopter safety briefing. Kindly wear aviation life jacket and air rebreather. Understand the rescue and abandon procedures for helicopter carefully. While alighting or boarding the helicopter, always make sure to remain within the visible range of the pilot and heli-deck crew. Please do not approach the helicopter from the rear. We hope you have understood the safety procedures for MHN Process Complex. In case of any doubt, please feel comfortable to ask the safety officers. Welcome aboard one of the most exciting workplaces in the country. We wish you a safe and pleasant stay here.